Install your new crate easy step by step. Single-Door Crate. To assemble your crate, set crate on the ground with the tray on the bottom. Unhook the latch from the side of the crate. Unfold the panels. Pull upwards from the middle of the crate panels. Hold the top panel up and pull the door or back panel forward until it snaps into the 7 hooks. Repeat on the other side of the crate. To open, lift up the locking handle and slide to the left. To lock, lift and slide the locking handle all the way to the right. Push down to secure. For cleaning purposes, the bottom tray is removable. To disassemble, unhook the edges of the door panel by pushing the panel into the crate. Repeat for the other side. Allow all panels to collapse flat. Hook the latch on the side of the crate to lock all panels together. Enjoy your new crate.